Is learning programming too boring? Are you more motivated when playing games? Today, let's learn programming while playing games. Check out this amazing website, starcoders.net.
StarCoders.
As a player, you need to use Python, the programming language, to issue commands to your spaceship and mechanical soldiers. Destroy the enemy's power center and strategic center to win. When you enter the game, you will learn how to use program code to control soldiers at the training base. On the left are the level description area and the code input area. Click the attack button at the bottom right to run the program from the code area and launch an attack. The training base has a variety of tutorials, each divided into teaching levels and practice levels. Tutorial levels will explain various programming concepts in detail. Practice levels require you to try writing your own code. You can use the Find Code feature to review the code from previous levels and make further modifications and optimizations. Or by giving up the rewards, you can also directly view the reference code for practice levels. Finish Official Tutorial 1 to earn generous rewards and return to your base, and head to Interstellar Exploration to combat evil forces.
Attack other players.
You need to construct some buildings in your base to defend against enemy attacks. Click on your spaceship to manufacture soldiers to prepare for interstellar exploration. As an interstellar-themed strategy game, the gameplay is quite innovative. All unlocks and upgrades are done by collecting intelligent stones and synthesizing in the strategic center. With increasing synthesis, each player's base becomes unique. In intense battles, you will get acquainted with programming and technical thinking, solve tasks and challenges in the game through your own thinking and programs, and create unique personalized content or even your own game.